Let's make an okra curry like this. It's from Sri Lanka. Don't miss out to subscribe my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen. Let's see the whole video. Pot like this on a medium heat. Add coconut oil. Oil is hot now. Let's fry the okra first. Stir continuously. By frying this okra, it helps us to remove the waxy thing, the gluey, waxy, whatever you call at home. It won't be there after frying. It is fried already and the gluey, waxy thing is no more. Remove. Onto the same oil, red onions, rough cut, mustard seed, stir continuously. The onions are sauteed already. Slit garlic, curry leaves, fennel seed, fenugreek, saute until the onions are golden. The onions are golden now. Turn off the heat. Add the okra. Turmeric, curry powder, salt, tamarind pulp, coconut milk. Combine well. It's well combined now. Turn on into a medium heat. Cover. It's simmering now. Reduce to low heat. In between, give a quick stir. Simmer for 5 minutes. Remove the cover. Cook for 5 to 8 minutes. The curry is nice and thick. Turn off the heat. Fry with the hot rice. The curry on the top of the rice. Let's try it out. Let's try. Just enough sour from the tamarind. No gluey gooey from okra. Nice creamy from the coconut. What else you need, right? That's all. The flavors are well incorporated. So when you eat, how you eat? Enjoy and eat. When you enjoy and eat, please support me by pushing the subscribe button and the notification. And if you like this recipe, please try it. And if you like it, share it, comment it. Your comments makes me perfect. Bye. See you with a new beautiful recipe.